The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class continues to set the standard in the compact luxury sedan segment, offering a harmonious blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. What's new for 2026? For the 2026 model year, Mercedes-Benz has introduced subtle updates to the C-Class lineup. All models now feature a 255-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, enhanced by a 48-volt hybrid system that provides a temporary boost in power at low RPMs. This powertrain is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. These updates aim to deliver a more responsive and efficient driving experience. The 2026 C-Class is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 295 pound-feet of torque between 2,000 and 3,200 RPM. This engine is complemented by a mild hybrid system that provides additional low-end torque, enhancing acceleration and overall drivability. The sedan offers a combined EPA fuel economy of approximately 29 miles per gallon, with rear-wheel drive models achieving 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, while all-wheel drive models are slightly less efficient. Inside, the 2026 C-Class offers a refined and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The standard 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system is complemented by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing a modern and intuitive interface. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as a Burmester surround sound system and a panoramic sunroof. Standard on all 2026 C-Class models is Mercedes-Benz's suite of driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Available options include adaptive cruise control, a head-up display, and a 360-degree camera system, enhancing safety and convenience during daily driving. The price of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is expected to start around $50,800 and go up to $54,950, depending on the trim and options. If you're seeking a compact luxury sedan that combines modern design, advanced technology, and a dynamic driving experience, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a compelling choice. Its refined interior, robust performance, and comprehensive feature set make it a standout in its class. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the front seat. See you in the next ride.